my goodness. It is brutal. There ain't no way I can do this on my tires. No way, man. Not on my tires. Ain't no way. Stingray! Woohoo! Oh my goodness.
You got it. Yes,
A lot of people fall.
Yeah.
Quite a few.
Maybe
4 or 5 so far. Sprocket! No, that's a 690.
What's this guy's screen name?
Sprocket. Sprocket. This is Clark, McDaniel, you know Clark.
Oh, that's Clark.
Yeah. I can't remember your name, we used to race Enduros.
John.
John, Will. I knew Mikey Bump real well.
Okay,
yeah.
he's my brother-in-law.
Yeah, I was in the Ford Dirt Riders.
Okay. I kind of remember.
Yeah, I used to see it the Enduros all the time. I remember you.
You had that, was it a rodeo or something? Or did you have a...
Yeah, I had an Isuzu, that's right. Me and
Isuzu
Uva.
going?
All right, Clark!
Yeah, what is it? Keep going faster. Yeah, I remember you.
Yeah, man, I raced for 6 years straight. I sure miss it, too.
Are you still like in the Saline area or something?
Yeah.
Really?
Mrs. Baird's bread. I got a territory up there. I sell bread.
Okay.
There ain't no way I'll be able to get mine through here.
I'll be both feet down, but...
I'll almost be afraid to walk it.
Turn around?
No, I'm going to try to make it. I'm going to try to walk it or something.
I guess we could get on each side of it.
Yeah, it's going to take a few of us. If y'all don't mind, give me a hand. Big A!
Really?
Everybody gets good. I'm going to have to try to push mine. There ain't no way.
We can walk you. That's
Yeah, I'm going to walk it.
We can walk you across.
Yeah, if anybody can mind, give me a hand.
The first half.
Them tires I got, there ain't no way they can get any kind of
all
traction, man.
Tires?
Yeah,
I
totally.
got a Kendall 761 on back of mine. I slipped the whole way.
If y'all don't mind, man,